So basically, what I recognize right here is that I need to make my pre-market high and pre-market low. Okay, mark those, and then within that, also look for supply and demand. So I was able to find that there is a 15 minutes here supply, and um, I believe this one was 35 minutes. 5 minutes. So I will be looking for it to drop, let's say to this area. And from this area, I will be able then to, take a trade looking for long. Where exactly in this area, I will need a confirmation. I preferably will want to have an A plus setup for me to trade, meaning I will need it to be by, let's say, example, a VWAP. If the VWAP comes here and it's tested right before passing it, I will look for a short, because even though we have these zones here, um, those two confirmations showing me stronger signs for short. In about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 9 minutes, the market will open. And what you will see in the upcoming videos will have a lot more, different plans on putting together a structure for trades of highest probability, and more from those for improvements, the structure, building the structure. Yes, so let me just take that. Maybe too bright. Hot car today, the 26th August. Market. Okay. Okay, so yes, so let me just take that. Maybe too bright. Hot car today, the 26th August. Market. Okay. Okay, so what happens here also, I just will need my phone 1 second, right? I will need my phone, and to make sure that we have an A plus setup, we want to also look for the instruments that has the highest probability of working out. So let's look which one we are looking at. We need to look at SPY. Let me see. I know we have SPY on the other instrument. We need Apple. Apple is right here. Apple is right here. AMD right here as well. Amazon is sure we have Amazon. Right there, Amazon. Okay. Meta, got it. Coin. So coin, I don't think I have. Coin, this one, right? Coin Global Inc. Got it. Yes, 200 something. IWM. Yes, the 2000. In the 200s. And ARM. M. So we're just adding them. Hold, holdings PL. Yeah, got it. So now what we want to do, we want to see which one has the highest move for the up, uh, which that was pretty much last time, right? Let me just see that 1 second. Wow, this had the largest move. See here on a retest. So that was the largest move pre-market. I mean, last Friday session. But on a pre-market, it's a bit interesting, which we still can do it. Let me see. So we want to mark pre-market high, pre-market low, and then see when price get attracted to that. Let's see if we have any 5 minutes, 15 minutes zone. And this one, let's see how that will work. This one 15, this one 30, nothing there. Look right here, you see it's played out very good. That was in real time. Oops, give me just a moment. Okay, so we are basically, the market is open. Let's see what we are coming up with in real time. We are seeing Tesla playing at the pre-market lows under the VWAP. Same thing with Nvidia. Okay, and it's the first minute, so no pressure under there. So Tesla opened right under with much pressure. It's most likely will go down. Much of a pressure higher. Wow, a lot of pressure lower. That's some heavy selling right there. Nvidia shows like it's going higher. Oh, what? Let me see. Okay, perfect. 200 here, 200 here. I mean 100 there. Increase. Oh, sorry. Let me see. This is actually interesting. It's crossing that. That's crazy. So that means that this should go higher too. Yeah, it wasn't right there. I did not see that there. Now it's there. And in fact, I should also check the NQ, not just the. The ES, because NQ moving it, but NQ showing, okay, right there, the gap down. NQ showing also good pressure to the upside, no problem. Around here, the low of the body for that candle should get the reversal, or actually from here as well because of the high wick here. So it's in proportion to its move. It's coming here. Let's see once it comes there. Test for continuation, move higher. Also, I changed. I don't know what's happening with the software, always jumping here. But what I changed, I actually changed the black vertical and horizontal color of the crossover. Ooh, look at this rejection. Look how that also dropped and dropped. Yeah, right there. That's good. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Still formatting. It's the fifth candle. So what you can look at also a retest or a test of the 5 minutes. Okay, so let's say this is a low of 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and this is the high of 5 minutes. Okay, high of 5 minutes. Okay, so that's high of 5 minutes, and this is low of 5 minutes from the open. And we can see a test or retest to that for a drop, let's say, to here with very, very tight risk to reward. It might also retest the VWAP only for the rally. Based on the RSI, it tested the VWAP, so it's showing some strength that it's probably will go higher. Here also, see a lot of wicks, but it's on the oversold and looks like, okay, right there, it's a retest to the 5 minutes, cannot break. I would want to sell, but you see it's breaking. What you want to have, it's a close of the candle and the next candle. That's the one of the best ways to structure it. Right there, we can enter, let's say, if it's coming back with a stop loss here. Sell 100, for me, important to put my stop loss. Most important. Give me to take profit first. Hi, John. Oh, look, it was exactly at that price. Oh, look, it tested here the VWAP too. A lot of pressure to the upside. So it might just check us out because a lot of pressure to the upside. But that's fine. Okay, so we got stepped out on that. I will still keep the 5 minutes because there is more pressure to the upside. And when it comes to retest the 5 minutes, we can enter with a stop loss, let's say here. That's amazing. This trade, yes, it was small, but wasn't a A+ setup. So I'm a bit, unhappy about this trade because of that purpose, but that's fine. Right here, it was a retest, and I didn't enter as an example. It could have been a better trade than this one that I had here. However, I would prefer to enter into a retest of that high of day. At a retest of a high of day, I will enter more freely. Let me see. This one drops a bit. So that's sign to us that it should drop as well. Opa, right there. And now roughly it should continue higher. Wow, look at the drop was drastic. I don't know if it's going lower, but in my opinion should go higher. Because it's retest, it's closed right above by a bit, okay? That's the factor. But it's retesting the 5 minutes again. See? Very interesting. If I can enter, let's say here, no, you see? I thought to enter, let's say at this retest of the 5 minutes and put my stop loss here, but there is pressure to the downside. Okay, so far I don't see something very strong on me for a confirmation for an entrance. Like here, screwed around, no much of volatility for a move. I took one little trade that wasn't the best, I guess. Okay, very slow movement too. But this one actually had a nice drop. And I believe yeah, this one too. Potential reversal. Wait. Not so much interesting action today. Right at the beginning. This is an increase. Curious to see if from here it will have that rally. But again, that's not a setup of mine. I cannot trade something like that. Here, I like that it's respected. It showed some respect, and then see it moves. So that's good. Here you see what we were saying about the VWAP, because the word that pressure higher, so it's respecting the VWAP. Question only if I want to enter or will it break so far. Shit, so it's retesting the VWAP here, but broke the VWAP here. So you see how that broke a bit? I think overall the market here will go higher. So look right here. Lower. So I'm afraid that once it basically breaks from here, it will go higher, and people are thinking it will go lower because on certain scenario it's showing lower. Mhm. Wow, nice. That's crazy move lower. Wow. Interesting. What caused that volatility? That slow movement, very slow movement. But this one was nice volatility, 2 million. Shortly, we will start just focusing on the analysis that we need for other indices like futures and also like stocks. So we will do that. It's also potentially have a move lower. So this 59, very nice. Okay, so still waiting. Nothing I did since that last move of $12 or $14, whatever it is. At this 5 minutes, I cannot just enter here. This was good. Still holding, interesting. That's nice. That breaks higher. Let's see. This possibly will go higher. Right there. How much higher? That's the only question, right? Because you see, we can fight for this $1 or something, or we can fight the trend for like $50, $100, and move $20 move, doesn't matter, and have a lot more chances to actually win higher amounts. So right here, it's for quick scalps, right? But or you can go for bigger moves. Let's see. That's a sign for down, but let's see. Nvidia. Okay, I don't like so much this action. After I will look for another setup here. Uh, you're right. A move lower will come. Look, it's under the VWAP here. It's testing the VWAP here. And an aggressive move lower will come. I want to trade that. So, right there, right there, right there. The move is coming. Ooh, look at this move. Go retest the 5 minutes and go lower. Look, close the. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, remove. Uh, Cross the whip up here. Cross the whip up here. This making low very nice. I couldn't just enter. This made a new low of day, but respected the whip up, so it has now to break and try to come to this wick, and then have a potential move more lower. Let me see. So right now, if I play from here long, which I can, put my stop loss right here. However, so far the market showing more pressure to the downside. So if I do trade that, it's like me fighting what I'm seeing. That's my 15 minutes supply zone. Okay, 15 minutes. Respecting this. See this 15-minute supply zone? It's very strong right by the pre-market lows. So right now we might have a reversal and go higher. Hold on. Let's see. I'm not in a trade as of yet, so I would prefer to enter somewhere in this area, which is the 5 minutes, because the 15 minutes going all the way down to that 5 minutes. So let's see. Well, that might be a reversal right there, to tell you the least. Okay. I will be doing like this, the trading maximum until 11 o'clock, and then I will focus on my other stuff, which is basically, making sure that I build better my system of, and I will analyze a couple of charts. I will work on my checklist for entry, stop loss, and take profits on how I do that stuff. I will make sure that I improve on those stuff and some other stuff that I was getting from my mentor, Bob Proctor. Other stuff that I'm getting from my mentor in trading, I will make sure I put all of those pieces together, and of course share with you as I'm getting those pieces in place. I do need to leave for a bit. It is coming closer to my area for a trade. So I don't know, maybe I stay a bit, but I really like if I take a trade off of here, is it a good trade for me? Not really. Why not really? It's under pre-market, under VWAP, and under here, so it's not so good for me. I have to go for a bit and I will be back.